It's the ultimate iced coffee. Spin. And caramel. That's it. Chilled iced coffee. Just a tiny bit of iced coffee. Shot measuring glass for amateurs. Top it off with a little ice. So you know you got a good shot. Enjoy and prepare for your hurricane.